For this, you're gonna start by sitting right on top of that roller, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose a side to start on. So I'm gonna start with my right. So I'm gonna pick myself right back up and then land myself so I'm sitting and all my weight's on that right cheek. You'll notice how my toes are pointed off to the right and my right hand is planted back behind me. And this is where I can start to go ahead and explore, and I think of like scanning the glute area just to see, which areas are more sensitive or the areas where I need to spend a little more time on. Okay, so now that I've scanned, and you'll see how I'm rolling a bit side to side. So right now I'm a little closer towards my sacrum. And then as I roll over to the side, I'm rolling more towards the edge of my hip. Okay, and that's all fair game when you're focusing on that glute muscle group. Another thing you can do is go ahead and cross the leg over, more like a figure four stretch. So if I'm on my right cheek, I'm going to cross my right ankle over my left leg. Okay, and this is just going to add a stretch while you go ahead and add that foam rolling pressure. Okay, it's totally optional. You can go right on back to the regular position here.